Hey guys, today we are going to talk about vitiligo. Vitiligo means white patches. Vitiligo is a long-term condition where white patches develop on the skin. It is caused by lack of melanin, which is the pigment in skin. Vitiligo can affect any area of skin, but it commonly happens on face, neck, hands and in skin creases. The pale areas of skin are more vulnerable to sunburn. So it is important to take extra care of your skin when you are in direct contact of sunlight and use a sunscreen with high sun protection factor. Vitiligo is caused by the lack of a pigment called melanin. Melanin is produced by the skin cells called melanocytes. It gives your skin its color. In vitiligo, there are not enough working melanocytes to produce enough melanin in your skin. This causes white patches to develop on your skin or hairs. It is not clear exactly why the melanocytes disappears from the affected areas of the skin. The areas of skin which commonly affected by vitiligo includes mouth and eyes, fingers and wrists, armpits, groin, genitals and inside your mouth. It also sometimes develops where there are hair roots, such as on your scalp. The lack of melanin in your skin can turn the hair in the affected areas to white or grey. Vitiligo often starts as a pale patch in the skin which gradually turns into completely white. The center of the patch may be white with paler skin around it. If there are blood vessels under the skin, the patches may be slightly pink rather than white. The edges of the patch may be smooth or irregular. They are sometimes red and inflamed, and sometimes there is brownish discoloration, which is also known as hyperpigmentation. Vitiligo does not cause any discomfort to your skin, such as dryness or any other skin issue, but occasionally these patches may be itchy. The condition varies from person to person. Some people get only a few white patches, but others get bigger white patches that join up across the large areas of their skin. There is no way of predicting how much skin will be affected. The white patches are usually permanent. There are mainly two types of vitiligo. First one is non-segmental vitiligo and second one is segmental vitiligo. But in rare cases, it is possible for vitiligo to affect your whole body, which is known as universal or complete vitiligo. In non-segmental vitiligo, which is also known as bilateral or generalized vitiligo, the symptoms often appears on the both sides of your body as symmetrical white patches. Symmetric patches can appear on the backside of your hands, arms, skin around the body openings such as eyes or ears, knees, elbows and feet. Non-segmental vitiligo is the most common type of vitiligo. It affects 9 out of 10 people with the vitiligo disorder. The second type of vitiligo is segmental vitiligo, which is also known as unilateral or localized vitiligo. In segmental vitiligo, the white patches only affect one area of your body. Segmental vitiligo is less common than non-segmental vitiligo. It usually starts in earlier age and affects 3 out of 10 children with vitiligo disorder. Now let us talk about the natural and Ayurvedic remedy to get rid of these white patches. You need 3 ingredients to prepare the remedy. The first ingredient is red clay powder. Second ingredient is ginger powder. And third ingredient is coconut water. To prepare the remedy, take all the ingredients in equal amount, like 50 gram red clay powder, 50 gram ginger powder and 50 ml coconut water. Mix the ingredients properly and make a fine paste. Apply the paste on white patches 2 to 3 times a day, and your white patches will completely disappear in 6 to 18 months. There is also a recommendation to get the fast results. Drink water in the copper vessel with empty stomach in the morning, and don't forget to keep the water in the vessel overnight. Alright guys, hope you like the video. Please share it with your friends and don't forget to share your experience in the comment section. And for more natural and Ayurvedic remedies, subscribe the channel and press the bell icon for further updates.